Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and we'll be tracking potential tropical cyclone number 1, which was the remnants of Agatha over here and did form here the other day, but I didn't want to do a video on it. I was waiting for it to become named, but as you can see, this is the track for Agatha right now. Got some tropical storm. Well, for potential tropical cyclone number 1, should I say? As you can see, got the tropical storm force winds on one side of the center of circulation, because north and westerly wind shear is blowing on this system, but as you can see, you got tropical storm warnings and watches in Cuba, north of Cuba, the Bahamas, Florida. You guys have got a tropical storm warning. But as it moves up the coast, it should get named up here somehow. But if it has a closed low over here or over here, north of the Bahamas, then it should get a closed center circulation and become Alex. Should become Alex over here, but if it doesn't, time will be running out, because as it moves here, it'll be moving into cooler sea surface temperatures. So, Florida, you're going to be under the gun for some potential rainfall on this system. Show you the model ones for Florida. Heavy rains associated with the system is expected across western Cuba, where life-threatening flash flooding and mudslides are possible. Heavy rain will affect portions of central Florida, South Florida, and through the Florida Keys today, and continue through Saturday. Consider flash flooding and urban flooding is possible across South Florida and in the Keys. Flash. What are you doing? Possible for the Keys. Flash and urban flooding is also possible across the north and northwestern Bahamas. Tropical storm conditions are expected in the warning area in western Cuba today and tonight, in Florida tonight and on Saturday, and in the northwestern Bahamas on Saturday. Tropical storm conditions are also possible in the watch area in western Cuba today and tonight. I think you have like about 6 to 10 inches of rain. South Florida, where Miami is, you have 6 to 10 inches of rain. 15 inches off the coast here, where these red blobs are, and 4 to 6 in the green areas, in the yellow areas of Florida. Orlando, you've got 4 to 2 inches of rainfall, and North Florida up here, you guys are in green, which you guys have got 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. And show you the model ones now. Model ones for this system. I'm going to show you the Northern Atlantic, and as you can see, this is potential tropical cyclone number 1. This is the track for it, obviously, because the track for it was like this. Let me press that. The track for it was basically like this. So it went like that. Basically, I need to do the track again because that track was a bit rubbish. But what it did was it went like this, basically. But then it went over here, came like that, and now it's going over Florida because this is the track for it. And then it's going to be turning to north of Bermuda. It's going to be turning this way, north of Bermuda, and just fizzle out over into the Northern Atlantic over here and over here, where the wind shear is high and stuff. So it goes over Bahamas, but then it actually gets a close low on Monday, which it could have a shot of forming into Alex on Monday. So you can see the high pressure system is high, and nothing really forms after that. But then in the Eastern Pacific, you do have a tropical storm plus, which makes landfall in the same area where Agatha did, and then either moves into the Caribbean and then into the Gulf, or either moving back out and making a little fizzle area over here. Now I'll show you the ECFWF, which is the European model. The European model wants something different. They want this system to become a tropical storm just after or just over Florida, which is a possibility, and then become a closed low in the Northern Atlantic somewhere in the Arctic. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry it was 8 minutes long, so I haven't done any updates for the past few days, but here is potential tropical cyclone number 1 right now. It's absolutely looking dead. The wind shear is very strong. This is the swirl, as you can see here. That's the swirl. All of the convection is on this side of the storm, that's what's producing Florida the rainfall now. But as the center moves over towards Florida, it could produce some convection over Florida, because the wind shear is lower over Florida than it is over the coast. So it could have a shot of becoming a close low over land quickly, become Alex, and then move out and then start to weaken due to high wind shear. But there's high wind shear all here, blowing from out the Pacific. Show you visible high res satellite imagery. Nothing really big, and plus it's daytime, nighttime there as well. Water vapor. There's a lot of dry air. Dry air is the big thing for this system as well, because there's a lot of moisture here, but in the Gulf there's a lot of dry air. So when basically the center circulation, which is here, moves over Florida, basically when the circulation moves over Florida, when it gets here, it could have a shot of trying to form again, or over Florida, because it's got moist spots. It needs the wind shear to slacken down a bit, because the wind shear is high up here. But if it goes down a little bit like this, if it blows that way and then that way, like on my screen now, that is the low of the wind shear, because this storm needs to breathe. It needs to do this, ventilate. If it doesn't, then it's going to be like this, or lopsided, like that. And that's not what you want a system. You want a system to be breathing well, low wind shear, very warm SSTs, which I will show you the Atlantic waters right now, and then I'm going to end the video. As you can see, La Nina is no longer a thing no more. Well, it is. It's a weakening of the La Nina, which should slacken the wind shear. Well, it should basically, the wind shear should start to slacken up a bit, which is not as good as we thought. But as you can see, the water that it's going to be tracking over, because it was here, it was in 28, 29, so now it's moving here. It's going to move north of Bermuda, but as it moves, exits out of Florida, it's got this warm water to work with. Now, if it could get itself act together, even if it becomes a subtropical in this 26-degree water, it's still a possibility that it would become quite a subtropical system. So, anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, comment, subscribe, share, and I guess I'll also see you all when this system actually becomes a tropical storm, which I don't know when it should be. Maybe tomorrow. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next video. And also, my gaming channel will be in the link in the description. Go and check that out. I'll be doing like different games on there and stuff. So, go check that out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this is hope this was favorable for hope this was good news for you. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace and have a good day. Right now.